Feeling sluggish and tired? Struggling with stubborn weight loss? Your liver might be the culprit. This video unveils a 3-day liver cleanse recipe made with everyday ingredients to help you shed pounds and feel rejuvenated. This isn't just any health hack, it's a comprehensive liver cleanse that also fortifies your immune system, boosts your blood health, and sets you on the path to wellness. All it takes is 2 teaspoons of this magical mix 5 times a day, and you're on your way to feeling better than you have in years. Before diving in, remember, when it comes to detoxes, it's wise to touch base with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. Let's break down this miraculous mix, starting with our first superhero ingredient, fresh celery stalks. Often overlooked, celery is the powerhouse of detoxification, adept at flushing out toxins and fats lounging in your liver. It doesn't stop there. Celery is packed with antioxidants like apigenin and luteolin, which combat toxins and inflammation. This crunchy green is also a fiber fiesta, aiding in the swift exit of toxins from your body and brimming with essential nutrients such as magnesium and potassium. These components are instrumental in maintaining optimal blood pressure and reducing heart disease risk. Celery is a champion at managing blood sugar levels and is a goldmine of vitamins and minerals that bolster your immune system. Next up, we have lemon, the citrusy detox dynamo. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, crucial for liver detoxification and overall health enhancement. Incorporating lemons into your diet activates the liver's protective cells and prevents cell deterioration, keeping your liver in tip-top shape. Beyond their detox power, lemons pack a punch with natural antibacterial and antiviral properties, aiding in fighting infections and maintaining robust health. To whip up this cleansing mixture, blend 5 to 6 large stalks of celery and 1 lemon into a smooth blend. The final touch? Honey. But keep it moderate to avoid excessive sweetness. Honey is not just a natural sweetener. It's a liver's ally, packed with phytoncides that support liver healing and regeneration. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants, honey enhances the detox process, aiding in the elimination of metabolic byproducts, toxins, and bile. This detox blend isn't just about cleansing, it's a health booster, supporting your blood pressure, endocrine, urinary, and nervous systems. It's the culmination of natural, health-enhancing ingredients working in harmony to revitalize your body. So, what are your thoughts on these powerhouse ingredients? Share your insights and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends and family. Let's spread the word on this simple yet effective path to health and vitality.